Welcome to session 28. In this session, we shall discuss about preparation of financial statement, in particular profit and loss account using VLOOKUP. So for this, we will have a data in the form of trial balance and we require a template of the profit and loss account. One can prepare even balance sheet using the VLOOKUP. So dear students, you can see here, I have the trial balance which is in column C, D, B, C, D, and I have my P&L spanning from G to L. So how do I prepare the profit and loss account using VLOOKUP? You can imagine if the profit and loss account runs into 200 to 300 items or maybe 2000 to 3000 items, how will I pick each one and put it into the respective column? It takes a lot of time. Also, one can commit numerous mistakes. VLOOKUP is a simple tool wherein one can extract the data in matter of a minute precisely, accurately, and also with precision and with speed. So let us work upon this. So wherever you want the sales data, so as you know, profit and loss account has expenses. Revenue items are generated from the credit side of the trial balance and expense items are there in the debit side of the trial balance. So here the first one being sales, sales being revenue, revenue is in the credit side of the balance of the trial balance. Hence, I have to extract this from the credit side. Whereas the others details such as purchase, freight, etc., they are being the expenses are on the debit side of the trial balance. So let us start that. Take your cursor to the cell where sales has to be extracted. Choose the formula tab. Take the VLOOKUP reference from that. Then one can see the function argument table is populated. Under VLOOKUP value, click upon the first data which has to be extracted. In this case it is sales. Under table array, cover the entire trial balance. Cover the entire trial balance. Then for the column index number, what is column index number? It is nothing but the detail of the value which has to be extracted. And how do we select this column number? It starts from the column 1 becomes the data which is the first column which we have selected under the table array. So in this case, B is the first column, C is the second column and D is the third column. So what is the data I want? I want sales. Sales is on the credit side. So this is, we know that B is the first column, C is the second column, D is the third column. So I have to put here column number 3 and range lookup is either 0 or false and one has to just say OK. You can see here the sales data has been extracted and because my template is ready, hence the total is easily extracted. Now going down to the expenses, that is on my debit side of the trial balance. The follow-up is the same. Choose formula tab, look for lookup and reference. Choose VLOOKUP under that. Once it is populated, that is a function argument VLOOKUP. The VLOOKUP value, that is nothing but you have to select the first expense details, that is in this case it is purchase. Table array will be covering the entire trial balance and column index number is nothing but the column number which data has to be extracted to profit and loss account. So in this case column B is column number 1, column C is column number 2. So you have to put 2 because I want the expenses which are on the debit side, that is column number 2. 0 or false and then say OK. So one can see here the data has been extracted and you can just drag it to cover the entire details. Okay, and your P&L is ready. So guys, it is as simple as this. VLOOKUP helps you to prepare trial balance, profit and loss account, balance sheet, cash flow from trial balance. Matter of a minute. Only one condition, keep the template ready. Okay. So I hope you have learnt a lot from this, and I shall meet you soon in next session, that is on HLOOKUP. Thank you very much. Please take care.